off you. It's dinner a la Tuggums. Look. Dinner a la Tuggums. Look. Blue. Oh, he's getting up. How are the dogs supposed to eat off your belly if you aren't laying down? Hi, Mimi. Come here. Mimi. Look, Mimi. Look. Mimi. Look. Look. Don't squeeze him too hard. You're gonna squeeze his neck off. Stop it. I don't want it.